What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your print heads on your Epson EcoTank printer without a computer. So guys, I am using an ET-2900 series printer. But if you do have a different printer guys, and you do have a kind of screen control panel, that's completely okay guys, as this tutorial will still work. Now, I will mention that I won't be using my computer for this, and you can do it from your phone. You can do some of these functions from your phone, from your Epson Smart app guys, but I would not recommend doing so, as you can't do all of the functions that you might need. So guys, let's get into it. I'm going to run through all the maintenance settings. As long as you have a screen or control panel guys, you'll be able to follow this video. So let's just get into it guys. You want to come over to your home panel, your control panel screen, and you want to make sure your printer is on guys, and you want to make sure that you have some ink. So guys, running these cleanings will help you get better, should get you better print quality, and it should help fix any clogs that you might have on your in your printer. So let's have a look. Let's go through, and we're going to go to the maintenance settings. So just scroll through by using these buttons, and then go to the maintenance page guys and press OK. Now what we're going to do first, before we run any head cleanings, is we're going to do a nozzle check. Okay, I would recommend everyone do this before doing a head cleaning. So let's do a nozzle check first. You'll need some A4 paper in the back of your printer, and you will need a little bit of ink in your ink tank. So let's print, and we're going to wait for our nozzle check guys, and I'm going to show you what to do once it's come out. So guys, you should see a page like this come out of your printer. So the part we want to focus on guys is the top left corner. Now this is your actual nozzle check. You could ignore the rest of the page. This is the part you want to focus on guys. If there are any breaks in the lines or any fading, so basically if it doesn't look exactly like this guys, then you might have some printer quality issues, you might have some clogs, and you might want to run a head cleaning. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So guys, just remember, if it doesn't look like this, if you have some breaks in the lines or some fading, then we're going to get into it. We're going to show you how to fix those and fix any clogs. So if you've done that guys, you should see on your screen, are there any missing segments? So if there are guys, just press yes, and then it will say select the cleaning level based on the pattern on the next screen. So guys, this is a regular cleaning and this is a power cleaning. Now what I would recommend guys, okay, this is really important. You should only do three regular cleanings at the start. You should do maximum 3, and then you should wait for around 24 hours guys. And then if nothing improves, run another nozzle check. If nothing improves guys, then you should run a power cleaning. Okay guys, never run more than 1 power cleaning in the span of like a week. Okay guys, they are very, very intense, and they use a lot of ink, and you really just don't want to be running a lot of them. Epson, for some reason, they don't really put these disclaimers up anymore on their printers, which I think is really, really bad. But let's just go for a normal head cleaning guys. So we want to press OK, then it's going to start a head cleaning, and we're going to press OK to proceed as well. So I'm going to show you as well just how to access that if you didn't run a nozzle check or you lost that screen. So we're going to go on the home page, and we're going to scroll over back to maintenance guys, and then we're going to go over here to head cleaning. So press OK here, and then it's recommended to perform a nozzle check. So guys, we have already done that, so we can press OK. And then if you want to load some rear paper in your so we can press no actually, because we have already run a head cleaning, so we're going to press no. And guys, so now we can choose between a cleaning or a power cleaning. So we're going to press OK. And guys, if you press OK again, it's going to run a head cleaning, which will take around maybe 10 minutes, something like that. Maybe 15, 10, maybe 5 minutes, something like that. And then you should be good to go. So guys, I'd recommend doing 3 of those maximum in one day. And if nothing improves after 24 hours, then you can run just 1 power cleaning. And thanks to this, you know exactly where to find your power cleaning. Now guys, I would recommend having at least like up to the first bar of ink for your regular head cleanings. And then I would also recommend having up to the halfway line for a power cleaning, just to be safe. Okay guys, if it tries to use more than you have, then you will completely damage your printer, and it really just won't be very good for your printer health. But that is it guys. Hopefully the power cleaning helps if you needed to run a head cleaning. And that is it guys. That is how to run head cleanings without using a computer, without using a phone. You can just do it via the screen here. But thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if this did help you out. And guys, if you are in the need for any printer supplies, paper, ink, even a new printer, guys, check out our sponsor in the description, guys. They are a worldwide printer supply company. They do really, really good deals, and you'll be getting really, really good prices. And you'll be helping out a small business, guys, and you would be helping out us, your favorite printer content creators, guys. Don't buy everything off Amazon. Jeff Bezos has enough money. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.